As you guys know, the iPhone 16 Pro Max launched before a few days. And when the iPhone new model launched, people starting comparing iPhone with the Samsung Galaxy S series. But in this video, we are going to compare iPhone 16 Pro Max with the upcoming Samsung phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And in this video, we are talking about the 9 key areas where the S25 Ultra seems to be taking the lead over iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first up, let's talk about the camera of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to the Ice Universe, Galaxy S25 Ultra come with a 2.4 millimeter camera bump, which is 45% thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now let's talk about the thickness of the phone. The S25 Ultra come with a 8.2 millimeter thickness, shaving off 0.4 millimeter from its predecessor, and 0.1 mm thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And if we talking about the weight, the S25 Ultra is 8 grams lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And if we talking about the bezels, the S25 is the first phone that come with the thinnest bezel ever on phone. And if we talking about the chipset, the S25 Ultra come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which shows an insane performance numbers comparing to the Apple's A18 Pro chip. And if we talking about the durability, the S25 Ultra come with a better glass armor, which offers a superior scratch resistance and outdoor visibility. And if we talking about the AI, the S25 Ultra is expected to outshine the iPhone 16 Pro Max in AI features, thanks to Samsung's partnership with Google. Lastly, let's talk about the S Pen advantage, and the S25 Ultra has the versatile S Pen tool, which Apple lacks an equivalent for. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe,